Welcome back to my channel. So this is Data Dance here, and I know guys you cannot see me because I'm here. I don't know. I'm here, but so you can see this. I'm sitting like that. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Data Dance here. Yeah. So today's video is about slime. I will be teaching you how to play with slime and how to make bubbles, these crazy things. So I have this slime is homemade. I did it with a glue called OK. And before we get started, please subscribe, like this video, turn on the notification bell to don't miss any video like this, and to become from our ZT family. So I know we talked a lot, but let's get started. So I have this. Let me introduce your slime. My slime, I think. This is a blue fluffy slime with little balls in it. So I'll be teaching you how to make a swirl, a bubble, how to poke the slime, and always you suggest me on Instagram to make slime. So here we go. Come on, the first thing I'll be poking the slime. You bring your slime and make like this, put it, start a poke. Then when you poke it, stretch it, and make a bubble. And when you make a bubble, take the slime and squeeze it. So now I show you how to poke the slime like this, how to make a bubble. Wait a minute. How to make a bubble, it's like that. Wait a minute, because the slime is getting stiff. Yeah, I did one. This is how to make a bubble. This is how to squeeze the slime. And this is how to make a swirl. You poke the slime, then you stretch it. You keep stretching it. And this slime is sponsored by a girl called Malika. Be sure to like her videos. And guys, you can see on her Facebook or Twitter, you keep making this till it becomes thick. Then you make like that. And here you go, a big swirl. And you poke the swirl. And this how to pop it, you make like this. Oh, it did one. So bye bye guys, I hope you enjoy my video. So bye bye.